It was at this moment that he knew. He
Maghanap kami ng free taste ngayon. Okay? Kasi wala kami pira.
Aray ko!
Dito lang to matatagpuan sa Vietnam. Yeah, free taste? Yeah?
Sure.
Yeah, free taste.
Oh yes.
Free taste always the best. Yeah. Let's see the free taste. Rate it, rate. Rate.
You first.
What is that? Coconut coffee. Whoa. I taste it.
Yes.
So hard. It's 8/10, I guess.
Taste lang kayo.
Okay with taste?
Okay.
What is this? What is this?
Mango chocolate.
This one? This one?
Yeah. You try?
We'll taste it and then rate it. Hey, where's my son? Taste it. Chocolate mango. Rate it. 6-7. Hello. Shen Chao. Is it a free taste? What is this? Can you...
Coconut cookie is
What is it? This is the one. Let's taste it. Let's taste it and rate it. Buy it. Taste it. This one muna. First, this one. Yeah. What's your rate?
10 over 10.
Yeah, it's 10.
It's 9.
8? Oh, hey.
Target locked.
There's a free taste. Free taste, yeah. So let's taste it and then rate it. Can I? This one is what flavor? What flavor? Susu. This is the end. There's a free taste. Free taste.
yes.
How much is this?
Please. This is 47.
47,000.
Yeah. This only 28.
28,000, I get it. Let me taste it. 28,000. Then rate it. Is that okay?
You can try.
Oh, and this one. I'm gonna rate that 7.
Is the flavor same, Charmaine?
Pero ba sana talaga ang gusto mong pangalan?
Ay, ang gusto ko sanang pangalan ay Charmaine.
Ay, ang ganda no. Oh, sayang.
Ayawan ko ba dyan?
Ipanotaryo natin yan.
Sana naman ay baguhin mo.
Okay, Char.
One, taste it. We call it Charmaine. Then rate it.
8.
8 over 10. Gonna buy that. Go, get this one. Huh?
Yeah.
How about the orange? Let me taste the orange. How this one? This one, Charmaine.
Ito sa jelly,
The free taste.
or nata.
Gonna rate this
Wala man, kuha na yan.
7 also. Get one also. Get one pack.
Para sa lahat.
Dapat na.
Para sa lahat. Magkano ba? Yung masarap?
Yeah, taste it. Kuha ka din, 10.
What flavor? Guys, tayo ngayon ay mag-free taste dahil kami pulog At kami nagbihis pa na mga ratings.
Gonna rate this
Nice. 10 over 10.
It's like 8 over 10. Yeah, that's correct. Thank you. The free taste.
Okay guys, hindi pa kami busog. Kukuha pa kami.
Okay.
That's so
It's not for
sad.
kid, right? Let's taste it. Cheers. Lubos mo na. Get one.
Buy 6 get 1 free. Buy 6 get 1 free.
Buy the 6 one, free. Because of that, get one only.
Uy, sa'yo yan ah.
It's the number 6.
Sa'yo yan ah. May pera ka ba?
Balik mo to.
Palibagong biktima.
This one. Gonna rate it. Oh,
What she said?
seaweed.
Ano to?
Take it, chocolate something.
Seaweed yan, baliw.
How much is this?
O sige, tignan mo.
Spicy and that.
Rice.
So number 10.
Guys, madami na tayong napili. Wow! Yung figures din yata dito
Ah,
Michael Jackson na figure.
find Michael Jackson.
Sige na. Oh.
Hey guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Vietnam. Walking trip tayo at night.
Daddy, dito din ako.
Okay.
Alam ko yung lasa na sito na kulay green. Ayos na naman yung lasa na kulay dilaw. Nung tinikman ko yung color green, yuck ko na ulitin. Bibili ako sa labas, ano ko na yung sasabihin. Ate, pabili nga po, sito na red. Wala nang red, green na lang. Hindi pwede yan, ayaw ko uminom na.
Crush ko na si Bebe.
Ngayon ko palang nadama to, na ganito pala kasi ito. Yung buhay ko na may kagaya mo. Kasi dati naman ay sanay ako. Mahalaga lang ay buhay ako. Nung kala ko walang kagaya mo.